Hello everyone, it's Dale here with weekly trading ideas for the week starting today, the 16th of March 2020. Before I go into the trading ideas, I want to remind you that there's upcoming webinar which I'll hold this Thursday, and it will be VWAP webinar focused on the VWAP indicator trading with the VWAP trading strategies. It is a free webinar. You can register if you go to my website trader-dale.com, click this banner, then you can register for the webinar and attend it on the Thursday. So I hope that I'll see you there. And the next thing I wanted to cover was the little contest we had. The prize for the contest was the MetaTrader 4 flexible volume profile. Right now on your screen you should see the names of the two winners who won this indicator, and I'll also do this contest for the next week. So what you need to do to participate is to leave a comment below this video, either on YouTube or on Facebook, and the next week, in the next video, I'll pick two winners to win the flexible volume profile for MetaTrader 4. Alright, so let's now go into the trading ideas. What you see on your screen now is my intraday trading workspace. All those charts show the same trading instrument. This chart on the top is a 60-minute chart with weekly profiles, and this chart right there, this is a 30-minute chart with a flexible volume profile, and this chart right there, those are fixed profiles printed on a 30-minute chart. So this is how my intraday trading workspace looks like. There is a strong resistance on the Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, so that's the first thing I wanted to show you. Currently there is a strong downtrend. You can see it in here, pretty strong selling activity. So in here I'm only looking for shorts, and the closest short, the closest resistance, at least volume based resistance, is in here at 0.8702, and it is based on this volume cluster which got created within the selling activity. And as you can see, this volume cluster was created in this little rotation, and afterwards, after the rotation, the strong selling activity continued. Maybe I should zoom it in a bit so you can see it better. Now what I think happened here was that sellers who are currently pushing the price downwards, I think that those guys were adding to their selling positions there at this place, and afterwards they started selling again, pushing the price even lower. So when there's a pullback to this level, I think that those sellers will start defending their selling positions, and they'll be likely to push the price downwards from this level again. Now what is important now with the coronavirus is that the markets are very volatile, and the daily average volatility has changed dramatically. So if you are, for example, using 10 pips stop loss for your trades, well, now it would be better to use like 30 pips stop loss or 40 pips stop loss for such trades. And the same goes for take profit, of course. So you need to adjust to the crazy volatility which we see on the markets right now. And you also want to lower your trading positions, because it would be just too risky to trade with your standard trading positions in crazy markets like this. So anyways, that was for the Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, strong resistance at 0.8702. And let me now go into another trading idea. Again, this will be intraday trading idea, and this one will be on the New Zealand dollar, US dollar. Let me zoom it in a bit so you can see the level better. Let's start with the weekly profile in here. If you look at it, then the heaviest volumes were right there. I'll zoom it in a bit. Those volumes, heaviest volumes throughout the whole week, got created there, got traded there. So if you look at the 30-minute chart in here, you can see those massive volumes in here. And if you look at the chart, you can tell that those crazy volumes were created in this area, in this area, and in this area. And this chart, this 30-minute chart, only looks into the last area, right? This area where strong selling activity started. So what I think happened there was sellers accumulating selling positions in this rotation. Afterwards, they again initiated strong selling activity from this place. So when there is a pullback to this level again, I think that the sellers were accumulating their selling positions there, most of the positions at 62.59. I think that when the price makes it back to this level again, those guys are likely to start pushing the price down aggressively, defending their selling positions. Alright, so strong intraday resistance at 0.6259. Very nice confluence is the weekly point of control, which you can see in here on the 60-minute chart. Another trading idea which I would like to show you is on the Euro Canadian dollar, so let's have a look at that. So, what caught my eye on the Euro Canadian dollar is the opening gap from a previous week. This gap right there. This is a gap which still haven't been closed yet, which is sort of unusual because gaps on forex usually get closed pretty soon. So this gap haven't closed yet, and I think that it will get closed. And when it does, when the price closes the gap, then it will hit those heavy volumes which got created before the gap. And usually volumes like that, volumes before a gap, work as a strong support or resistance zone. So when there is a pullback, the price closes the gap, then I think it will react to those heavy volumes and it will move upwards from this level. I wrote several articles on this topic. You can read them in the market analysis section. If you go to my website, market analysis section, then the last one was called Trading Market Open Gaps in High Volatility. This one, I published this one last Tuesday. So that's the latest article I wrote about trading those opening gaps. What it says is basically that markets tend to close gaps and then react to the volumes which got created before them, right? Like in this case. So when the price makes a pullback there to the 1.5185, the place where the volumes were the heaviest, I expect a buying reaction to those volumes. All right. So remember to trade safe, to have wider stop loss than usual, to have lower trading positions than usual. Don't get too crazy right now. Markets are pretty volatile and trading right now is very risky, so you need to play it safe. And if you guys would like to learn more about trading with the volume profile, you can visit my website and enroll in one of my trading courses. You go to Trading Course and Tools, and in here you can choose from one of my trading courses. The first one's called the Learning Pack, and this one is ideal for those who would like to get in-depth video course on trading with a volume profile, as well as volume profile indicators for NinjaTrader 8 and MetaTrader 4. The next pack is called the Trading Pack, and with this pack you basically get my trading levels every day printed on your charts, so you can trade with me, you can trade the levels which I personally trade every day. This goes to daily trading levels and also monthly swing levels. You'll also receive a daily video where I talk about those trading levels which I'm going to trade, and you're also going to get the volume profile pack, which includes the volume profiles for MetaTrader 4 and NinjaTrader 8. Now, what I recommend is getting the Elite pack, because this Elite pack includes all from the above, so all from the Learning pack as well as all from the Trading pack. So you'll get the video course, you'll get my trading levels, you'll get the volume profile pack, and as a bonus you'll get a VWAP indicator which I developed for NinjaTrader 8. Alright, so that's it for this video, guys. I hope you liked it, I hope you found it useful. Don't forget to play it safe. Don't try to trade like crazy and make crazy money on this coronavirus crisis. I think this is a very risky situation to trade, so you need to play it very safe. Alright, so anyways, that's it for this video. I hope you like it. I'll be looking forward to seeing you in some next video, and until then, happy trading.